Doing our reading assignments in Kids A to Z is new to all of us, including me. So I'm going to just review how to do that here in this video. We go to the Reading Workshop tab. If you go down, you'll see your daily assignments. Each week you'll be assigned a story to read and do some activities with in Kids A to Z. Click on Kids A to Z. That will take you to a login page. If you're already logged in, that's fine. If you're not, type in our username, PFEIFF, and go. Or you can click down here if you see my name. That will take you to our home page. From there, find your name. I'm going in as Skippy. And put in your password. 1, 2, 3, go. Here I'm in Skippy's home page. The reading room is where you can find books to read on your own time. If you want to change and try to challenge yourself to get to the next level of books, you can work in this section. But I want everyone to start in My Assignment. Here you'll see last week's assignment and this week's assignment. Make sure you look for week 2 or whichever week we're on and click on Open. That will open your book down below, and you can see that Skippy has been assigned the drum, and he's assigned to listen to the story, read the story, and then do a quiz on the story. So if I click on the drum, you'll see this arrow, and this is where you listen to the story. I encourage everyone to listen to the story. That way you can complete your whole assignment and it's just fun to listen to. So you click on that and the story will start. I'm going to pause and come back to you in just a second.
By Catherine Follet. It was a lesson the boy never forgot.
Okay, so here I am at the end of the story.
Connections.
I'm just going to finish the book. And once I finish the story, you can see that you've got Skippy's got a green check mark here showing that he listened to the book. Now, on Tuesday, your assignment is to read the book. So you click on this, read the drum, and you can read it to yourself, you can read it to a friend, you can read it to your mom, your stuffed animal. You just click through the book by clicking these arrows. Up at the top here, you'll see this little down arrow. You can close or open this section. Sometimes I would like you to read a section of your book to me. When you do that, you'll just click on this red recorder button. That opens up these options. To record, you click here and start reading. The boy tapped on everything with his stick. When you're done, click on this stop recording button. Now it's recorded for you. If you want to record again, go ahead and click on new and you can record another. If you want to hear what you've done, what you've recorded, click play. And again, that closes and opens here. Now I'm going to go back to my assignment and the drum on, let's see, I'm just going to click through the books showing that I read it. It may tell me that I read it too quickly.
You read this too quickly.
Yes.
Read it again.
Okay,
Make sure you read
so once I've
word
read it
carefully.
very carefully, I will have a green check. This will be green and checked, showing that I've done that. And then I can take my quiz. The quiz for Skippy is 5 questions long. You just answer it, choose one, and then go to the next question. And then you'll be done with your assignment for the week. Please do your quiz on Thursday or Friday of the week so you're sure that you've listened to it, read it, retold it, and done all the activities with it before you take your quiz. All right, good luck. So I went through and had Skippy read the book and do his quiz. I just wanted to show you what it looks like when the assignment's complete. You'll get this screen. You can go back to your home button and you'll see that the book disappears here after you've done all of your assignments. So make sure you've done all of your assignments before you take your quiz. All right, bye.